Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable formatting a style guide with Adobe InDesign, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe InDesign on your computer. Create a new document or open an existing one. Navigate to the window menu at the top of the screen. Select Styles and then click on Paragraph Styles. In the Paragraph Styles panel, click the Create New Paragraph Style button. Name your new style in the dialog box that appears. Set the desired font, size, and weight for your text. Adjust the leading, tracking, and kerning to match your preferred look. Configure alignment options to align your text as needed. Set paragraph spacing by modifying the space before and after. Add indentation settings according to your style guide requirements. If needed, create additional styles for headings, subheadings, and body text. Select any existing text you want to apply the new style to. Open the Paragraph Styles panel again. Click on the style name you just created to apply it to the selected text. To modify a style, double-click on the style name in the Paragraph Styles panel. Make the necessary adjustments in the dialog box that appears. Click OK to save your changes. To apply styles consistently throughout your document, highlight new text. Return to the Paragraph Styles panel and select the appropriate style. Repeat the formatting process for other elements of your document. Utilize the Character Styles panel for finer adjustments if needed. Review your document to ensure all styles are applied correctly. Save your document to keep all your formatting intact. Export your project as needed, ensuring the styles are preserved in the final output. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.